Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel Creation Technologies. Today we are diving into the ultimate hub for artificial intelligence. This website boasts the largest directory of AI tools updated daily. Whether you are a pro or just starting out, this is the go-to resource for staying on top of the latest in AI tech. If you are excited as I am, then please hit the subscribe button and let's explore the king of AI tools together. Are you ready to see what makes this platform stand out? Let's jump in. First, open your browser and type futurepedia.io. Hit the enter button. This website is called Futurepedia. It has the largest collection of AI tools and it is updated daily. To date, it has 5,469 AI tools in 66 categories. This website keeps on updating with the latest AI tools every day. To view all the AI tools and its categories, we have to click on View All Categories. Here we got a very long list. Once you press on a particular category like Photoshop, it will give you a list of all the tools related to Photoshop. So let's scroll down. These are the Photoshop tools here. Some of them are paid tools, some of them are free, and some of them are freemium. Freemium means that basic services are provided for free of charge, while more advanced features must be paid for. Let's go back to the home page. Here you can see tools added today. So every day you can check for latest AI tools. And if you click on the filter button here, you can apply the filter here and it will give you the desired result. For example, I'll select freemium and free tools. Apply the filters. So whatever tools now I have here are freemium or it's completely free. Now you know where to find your latest AI tools. Please don't forget to log in with your Google account or sign up using your email address in order to download the AI tools. You can browse for more information and many other features on this website. I trust you have gained insights into this AI website through my video. If it has proved beneficial, then kindly show your support by liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you for watching.